guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. By the time you watch this video, Vlogmas has begun, so let's just get straight into the Vlogmas season. Today we're going to just be talking about Louis Vuitton. I want to show you a bunch of really cool things I've seen on the Louis Vuitton website that I thought you guys would be interested in. You can go check them out, and then we're going to do some chit chat about some of the rumors that are coming through the Louis Vuitton rumor mill at the moment. So I wanted to show you three things which I'm basically obsessed with from the website. Let's start off straight off with this bag. It is the Capucine Mini in emerald. It is in Tourbillon leather, and it has the python handle and a python flap. It is, forget about buying it, boo-boo. It is completely sold out worldwide. No one can get their hands on this. I was on the website checking to see availability worldwide. It is sold out in the US, sold out in Canada, sold out in Latin America and the Caribbean as well. It's also sold out in Europe, and of course it's sold out in South Africa, honey. It is not available. It's also sold out in Asia. It's completely sold out. I think these were very popular. Normally touch bags, normally these like touch bags, like where it's like a hybrid between leather and exotic, it depends how they look like in person, but these ones look super beautiful and so gorgeous, like in pictures that I've seen on Instagram and everything. They are so beautiful, so stunning. They're completely sold out. I think many people are attracted to the idea of a python handle and a python flap, but it's not croc, and because it's not croc, the price point is much easier. I think for a lot of people. In euros they're 5,250. I think that was my cat knocking at the door. In euros they're 5,250 euros, and they're, I think in US dollars, $6,900. I don't know why I'm telling you the prices, honey, because they're completely sold out. You cannot get them, and it's so disappointing. I was hoping to find these when I go to Paris, but it doesn't look like that is possible or that is going to happen. The next thing that I'm obsessed with from Louis Vuitton are these cups. I'm just so obsessed with them. They did some cups ages ago for I think the Year of the Tiger. They were so beautiful. Those cups were really, really nice. They have these other cups which I'm obsessed with. Again, no one can get these cups. They're sold out. I swear all of their things which are really nice are completely sold out. I love these cups. I think they're really, really nice. I love the idea of cups also that don't have like a handle and you just hold it and drink it. I need these cups, so I need to find cups when I go traveling. So yeah, I love these. If you have them, tell me what you think about them below in the comments. I'd love to know what you think about them. And then the final beauty that I wanted to show you is this really beautiful hat box. I love the Louis Vuitton hard-sided luggages. I know that they're trying to do more like hard-sided pieces that look like handbags. So, you know, you have like the petite valise, which is also super cute, even though I don't like vachetta. I really don't like vachetta, but I can handle vachetta when it's in a hard-sided piece. I think the hat box is a really special, beautiful piece. I know you're like, oh my god, you've never used it. Okay, so I wanted to talk about how you would use it. You could use this for like road trips. You could use this for a short business trip. You could use it. It's a hat box. You can just use that handle. You could use this if, like I said, obviously if you're driving, you know, around on a road trip or whatever. If you're going on an overnight trip or an overnight stay somewhere, you could use it as well. You could use it generally even for traveling, and you could also use it for storage in the house, and you can also use it as an ornament in the house. I would probably actually use it as a luggage piece because I still think it's a very functional luggage item. I think it comes in 2 sizes. I love this. I think it's really beautiful. It wouldn't make sense for me to buy it in Europe. The only place I would consider buying it is South Africa, because then I can ship it. I can travel with it easier back here to Tanzania. I feel like traveling from France with a hat box would be quite stressful, but I love it. I think it's such a beautiful piece, and I think one hard-sided piece is like a must-have for any person who loves the Louis Vuitton brand, because that is how they started and that is their true heritage. So many of you are like, oh, canvas their heritage. No, it's not. It's luggages and hard-sided pieces. That is who they are. So I love, love, love this. I think it's so gorgeous, so beautiful. I would love to know what you guys think about the hard-sided pieces, like the trunks and the suitcases. Would you consider getting one? Do you have one? And what do you think of the hat box? I love this so much. Maybe I can put it in here in my lady lair. I'm just desperately trying to find a way to like justify it, but I love it. I think it's so beautiful and so gorgeous. So I just wanted to quickly mention those three pieces. I don't know why I'm mentioning three things which are very hard to get, but the hat box, you should be able to get the hat box easier than the cups and the Python and Tourbillon Capucine Mini. So yeah, let me know what you guys are currently buying from Louis Vuitton at the moment. I just ordered the Dior Toile de Juillet a notebook that has already been ordered, so I'm super excited. That is on its way to Tanzania. I'll definitely unbox it on the channel. Also, my other half got a Versace men's watch that has been ordered as well, and that's on its way. So proper excited to see that as well, and I'll definitely show you guys that one as well, because I think it'd be really cool to see it. I love fashion watches. I don't care what anyone says. I think they look really good. So he just went ahead and ordered it. I was like, all right, you know, good for you. I love Versace. You know how much I love the Versace brands. So it's cool to see my other half get into it as well, because he doesn't care about luxury at all. So it was kind of cool to see him on his own just find the watch and be like, hey, I'm ordering this. I'm like, okay. I think it's just super important for you to choose things that you love, and don't worry about resale value. At this point in the game and at this price point, these are luxury items. No one needs to have these things. They're just bags. I don't think you should be buying things based on whether something resells well or not. That's just my personal opinion. You might have another opinion. If you're open-minded, be open-minded, try something new. Go check out Louis Vuitton's leather bags and tell me what you think. I really love that Python and Capucine Tourbillon leather mix, but it's sold out, which is so disappointing. But I'm going to contact the SA in Paris. I'm going to ask him if it can be found for me, because I love that green one so much, and I love it, love it, love it. When I go traveling, the only real priority when I go to Louis Vuitton traveling this time around is to get the Dauphine, but I'm very open-minded to seeing any leather Capucines, and if one catches my eye, then hey, you never know, because I really feel like they look really beautiful. I'm loving the Capucines at the moment. I don't know why, but I'm just loving them. I think they just look super beautiful, and I love all the choice and the options that they have made with the Capucine as well. And the bottom line is, try something different. Don't be trapped in this prison of classics. Try other things and don't worry about resale value. Just tap into your sense of style. If I cared about views, resale value, being classics, I wouldn't feature Versace on my channel. Versace is not like super popular on YouTube, but I don't care. I love the brand. So if I love the brand, I'm going to talk about it until I don't want to. If I love the brand, honey, I'm going to feature big Versace, the Medusa, and all of that stuff. It doesn't matter if one person watches, if no one watches. I love that brand, so I'm always going to feature it. I think that's the best way to go around it. In the Louis Vuitton digital streets, there's a rumor that's been going around that allegedly Big LV is going to be taking some canvas pieces off of the website in 2023. Foxy LV had posted it, but then she took the post down. I did actually send her a message, ask her a question, but also to uplift her, because I think she had posted on her stories that people were degrading her, you know, because she was sharing information. People are ungrateful, so I sent her a positive message just to say, you know, appreciate her and to thank her for, you know, what she does for the Louis Vuitton community. I did ask her if the men's canvas pieces would be affected, but she said that she didn't want to talk about it anymore. But I totally understand, because it's stressful dealing with people when you're trying to help and then people are like being really annoying. So send her a nice message. I sent her a nice message to uplift her because she does a lot for the Louis Vuitton community. So I'm going to go based off of her information. Based off of her information, it was that the plain canvas pieces would be going off the website in 2023 for the US and for Europe. Let's assume that all of this is Gucci and it's a go-ahead for 2023. That means that all of the plain canvas bags, like the Dauphine in canvas, the Almond canvas, the Speedy in canvas, and the Neverfull would probably be, you know, going off the website. And that doesn't mean they're discontinued. Some of you are like, oh my God, it means they're discontinued. They're not discontinued. They would be being sold offline. This makes total sense. I'm sorry. Do you think for a second that Big LV and Big H are not looking at Big C? You guys always love saying that everyone wants to be Hermes. Excuse me, people want to be Chanel, honey. People are tired, and by people I mean Big LV, Big H. They specifically want to be Chanel at this point. Chanel, I think, actually made the right decision at the end of the day by keeping their bags off of the website, you really do create that sense of you create that sense of exclusivity. You know, for many months I have been saying, you know, that, you know, the canvas is like seriously going to be de-emphasized. We've all been chatting about it, but I really was saying like canvas is going to be de-emphasized, honey, and it's going to be basically like a gift, you know, to the best spenders. I think that's kind of where we're heading now. If this happens, you can only buy canvas online. If you don't have a relationship with Louis Vuitton, it's going to be hard for you to get those very desirable new canvas, you know, releases that will be coming out. So, you know, maybe they'll even do this with the, you know, collabs that they do. Maybe, let's say they do another Supreme collab and you could only buy that in store. That would be the smart thing. Let's say they do another Nike collab. You could only buy that in store. I'm just saying. We're just speaking, like speculating here, just speculating, right? I feel like that would actually be the right call and the right move to do, because that really does create that sense of exclusivity. If anything, what I've learned from Louis Vuitton from a business point of view is to change people's perception. I feel like Louis Vuitton has successfully done that. Some of you still see Louis Vuitton as a canvas brand, but I think most people now see Louis Vuitton as a lifestyle brand. Louis Vuitton has gone from canvas to lifestyle. And I think that is the critical shift that we've seen with Big LV. Louis Vuitton isn't a canvas brand. Louis Vuitton is a lifestyle that you live. And you can opt to live the lifestyle with them, honey, off the website. And if you don't want to, Louis Vuitton has said, put your wig in your hat box and you can leave. Okay, that is what Big LV has said. I'd love to know what you think about all of that news, and what do you guys think about the things that I picked out for you guys, like the cups. God, the cups, I love those cups, they're so cute, and the hat box and the python capucines. What are your thoughts on everything? I can't wait to travel. I have so many things I want to buy from Louis Vuitton, but my priority is getting the Dauphine when I travel. So super excited, and I'd love to know what you guys are currently buying from Louis Vuitton. I love the Christmas animations as well, like the notebooks, they're so cute. I've just decided that I don't want to like order anything from Louis Vuitton and have it shipped here, like in terms of like asking someone to help me, because I want to like pick out the LV items on my own. But yeah, super excited to go shopping when I go traveling, and I can't wait to see what LV has in store. If you like what I'm doing, please consider fully subscribing, hitting notifications, and liking this video, honey, and join me on all of my socials. All of my socials are linked below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video.